My name's Paul and I work here at Alterian in the support team. In this video we're going to look at lookup tables. Lookup tables are a great way to add dynamic driven content to your emails based on associated recipient data. So here we have a simple recipient list that we're going to use for this demo with 3 recipients, each with a different location value. And below is our lookup table that we're going to use for this demo, and again here you can see the 3 values that relate to our recipient list. So this is our primary key that we're going to relate to between the 2. Okay, I've uploaded both of these, the list and the lookup table, into Email Manager already. So the next thing we need to do is set up our variables for our lookup table data to be populated into. I like to have one variable that gets the data from the recipient list, and then this is what I then base my other variables off to get the data from the lookup tables. So here is a variable that will be populated from data from the lookup table. As you can see, my default value relates to my recipient location variable, and then also in this variable, this is how we then populate this variable with the data from the lookup table. We select our lookup table. It matches the column key. If you remember, it was the location value from our recipient list. I then want to populate this variable with the country long name. Then we save. These variables are then added into our email creative here. I'll save this, and then let me show you what this looks like when the emails are rendered, so I can show you the different values for the different recipients. So this was our first recipient. It was a UK based recipient. Our next was a US based recipient, and our last recipient in the list was an Australian based recipient. Okay, so now I just wanted to show you how easy it is to add a new row to our lookup table, and then for that row to relate to a new recipient that's added to our recipient list. Okay, so in our lookup table, let's add a new row. So we're going to edit this, add a new row, and we're going to add a new row of ESP, so Spain. Another image in there, which we'll need to upload in a second. Okay, that's all our data added. Now we'll save that. Again, this could be done actually in the lookup table and the lookup table re-uploaded, but for ease and speed, we've just added it directly into the lookup table within Email Manager. So now we need to add our recipient to our list, or our new recipient. Oops. The wrong thing. Okay, so email address, we're just going to do a new test one, and the location, so it relates to our lookup table data, is ESP, so the short name for Spain, done. So now we're going to go through the send a message process so I can show you. Oh, I have forgotten to upload the image, so let's go back and upload that quickly. So we upload the Spain image, send a message, we'll display the preview. So now straight away you can see we've got 4 records in here, so the UK, the US, the Australia, and now the Spain. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.